another day. Chilly in Florida, about 55. Breezy, no sun. Yeah, perfect day. Let's get some work done, huh? This is where we stopped off yesterday. Let's see here. I got a small patch left to make there. Do some grinding. And see if we can get this thing finished up. I did measure from the top hinge down to the bottom hinge on the door and on the car. I measured from bolt hole to bolt hole, top and bottom, the whole 9 yards. Everything seems to be lining up really nice. The only thing I have not done yet is fit it to the car. So let's get to work. Well, there we go. Still need some cleaning up. These angles through here were really tricky. The way it curves around this way, and it curves in this way, and the whole thing curves down this way. I've done a little bit of body work, patch work before, but man, that's pretty brutal. So I'm going to go ahead and try to continue on a little bit, get some of this ground down. I don't want to grind it down too much because I do still have the structure issue up front. So I think it's solid. I mean, it's, if anything, this section through here is actually a little probably overkill. And I know it's not pretty, but again, it's, those angles are just tough. I'm used to doing, you know, square patch work, or you know, something with slight curvature to it, not compound curves. So definitely a learning experience. That's what makes it fun, right? So I'm gonna go prep dinner because I'm hungry. I forgot to eat lunch. That's what happens when you run all over the place and then try to sneak in going to the welding supply store to swap out the CO2 mixed tank. So I will catch you guys in a little bit. And don't judge me too hard for my patchwork. Actually, I really don't care. How's that? I'll be back on the road. Alright, we'll catch you in a little bit. Now we just got to get the car off the jack stands and get the door adjusted. And then we should be pretty much done. Hinges line right up. Everything's good there. Just got to get the door tweaked right. But it's a patch job. It'll work. Not the best in the world, but when you find out half your car is Bondo, you just got to roll with it, right? Alright, so other than adjusting the door, project is done. So, until the next project, we'll see y'all next time. I appreciate you guys watching. Thanks for the comments. How about a little PS added on to the video? Since the whole purpose of this was to get the door to shut better, I still have to finish aligning it. So that's where I left off last night. Much better. So I'd say that would be a success. As long as it holds up, we'll be even in good shape. Alright, that's it. End of video.